Anthony Thomas asks says evening, can insurance policy be put on credit cards? Actually, it can, sort of. So apparently there's some companies out there that will accept a credit card payment for a life insurance policy. Most of them will not. Most of them want cash or a check or the automatic withdrawal. But you can use a company or a website, plastic.com. Excuse me, that's PLASTIQ.com. And you can use your credit card and they will turn that into a check and mail it to your insurance company. And so you can pay your insurance policy that way. You need to have an invoice. So it would be at your policy anniversary, you could do that. Or what I've personally done is I've gotten a 0% credit card interest special offer. And with that special offer, I used plastic and I paid back some of my loans in my policies with it. So I used that to pay back a loan, and then I just borrowed it back out again. So I was able to access the cash value off of my credit card at 0%. And using plastic, it cost me like 1.9% or 2.9%. So ultimately, it cost me 3% at most to get the cash off of that into my policy as paying back the loan. Although I think I did one as new premiums as well. And then I was able to get the cash back out. And I used it to invest in the market. So, because of course I can do a lot better investing in the market than leaving the money in my policies. So yeah, you can do insurance policies on a credit card, even if the insurance carrier does not accept credit cards directly, which, like I said, most of them do not. John, if you buy an IUL for your kids that are in their early 20s, do they have to go through a health exam? Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. One thing to keep in mind is that if they're in their early 20s, are they still living at home? Are they still considered a dependent for you? If they are, then you can buy their IUL. If they're not, most insurance companies would like adult kids to own their own policies. Well, they like adults to own their own policies, even if it's a kid. If they have their own job, even more so. But if they don't, if they're still a dependent, say they're going to school, then yeah, you can still own their policies, you can pay for their policies, and there's still that enough insurable interest. So it can be a good idea. And for the most part, most carriers these days are trying to do accelerated underwriting, where they will get the information they need to make a health rating determination based on the health questionnaire that they answer and their medical records. So kids in their early 20s likely have plenty of medical records. Unless you're asking for an enormous amount of death benefit, they probably won't have to go through a health exam.
Hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time.
Now go maximize your cash flow.